at the party.
Man, it's kind of slice, cuz.
This is dope. I low key when I first got out the chair today, I was mad, but this bit low key straight.
Oh really, God.
Say one more time. Bitch, I can't fuck no nigga that's broke. You can have him.
What that open for?
Get out my face. Get that camera out my face. You know, please.
What going on YouTube? It's not for easy, and we back in it, bitch. We in here at the B&B. We up here in Atlanta for my homegirl little birthday bash, whatever. Yeah. And so shit, we about to get y'all a little B&B tour. Let's do it. All right, boom. So first we gotta put the code in. Come on, bro. What's the code, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, you put the right code in?
Bruh.
Gang.
Come on,
Bro. Are we dead ass right now, gang?
What the fuck?
He tripping.
Oh, we got the right shit.
This my first time vlogging on their camera for real, too. I'm finna see how they been feel. Bro, you got this one? Uh-oh. Let me lock the door. We is in Atlanta, we don't know. Somebody just locked us.
That was me.
Oh, that was it. Oh. Alright, so boom. First we walked in. Damn, first thing this nigga opened the fridge. This nigga a fat ass. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. So first things first, we come in here. Okay, little washroom. I guess this.
With the lights on.
Yeah, that's how you get outside.
You wanna open it up?
Yeah, we can. You know, little washroom in here.
Hold on, this bit.
It's a little spooky out
It's
here,
like a
bro.
patio over there. Damn, it's a couch in that bit too.
Somebody good. Yeah, Dre gonna be sleeping out
Yeah,
there
for
if you
sure.
blow me, for sure.
Keep that porch light on, I guess.
What it say?
I just turned that bit on to make it shit.
It said that?
Nah, I'm just used to doing that shit. Like,
Mind you, so I think the girls been here. The girls obviously been here because it's food. And they left all the lights on and they left.
I think what this is.
What this is, a little dining room slash living room. Okay.
Yeah, me.
TV. Hey.
Hold on, dog.
This a little dope, boy.
Man, we kind of slice, cuz.
This is a dope. I low key when I first got out the chair today, I was mad. But this bit low key straight.
Oh really, God.
Alright, boom. We showed them here.
Yeah,
This another. Okay, we're gonna come back.
Somebody got LV back.
Room one. Somebody got an LV. Hey, looks like they're having it.
The bathroom.
We got the bathroom.
Okay, they a little bald and shit, trying to straighten
Okay, they got to straighten it. They got to get all the inches they can.
Go. Oh, they gonna get some. We go
Another one. Type. Somebody a cheerleader? Question mark. They got the bow.
Yeah, these hoes might be trapped. They be wearing 12s.
I was finna say them. That's them rings of hell they be saying. Okay, little
What's
closet. Look, double closet.
In there.
Little share bathroom over there.
It is?
Yeah,
Damn.
I feel
No, it's not. Oh, yeah.
I seen it on that side. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Alright, boom. So, I guess we don't put our shit in here.
Yeah. We go downstairs?
It's downstairs.
I think.
Oh yeah, from the outside, it look like it. Oh shit, what this is?
Now you can show them that bit first. I'm down there scared to go down there.
Oh no.
Shit.
Hell no.
Oh. Yo. What are you doing? Yo, what?
See, you
Now
know
why I feel like.
Yeah.
Hey, we are.
We got a little.
Okay, it's a little study area right here.
They got
What
a
the light?
walk-in
Ain't no
in there.
light. Okay, a little walk-in closet.
It's cold
It
as
is
fuck
cold
down
as
here.
hell, low-key. This little underground, I guess.
Yes. Shit. Look at
Basement in
this,
Georgia, never seen before. Okay, somebody got a. This the biggest room. This like a overmaster. And they got like a little mini living room in here.
Look at this.
Is this an attic? Oh shit, why is an attic at the bottom?
Twin.
I don't even know if this is an attic. Y'all, yeah, let's go ahead and close that.
I don't know what that was.
I think that's it. Hold on, we got it.
What's that right there?
Ah! This the bathroom, question mark? Another?
I ain't trying to sleep down
Yo,
there.
nah, yeah. What the hell? How you open it?
Maybe. Slide left, right. Let me see.
I don't think this is meant to be open, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
I guess you can't wash your ass down here, though.
Yeah, ain't no bathroom down here.
It's too cold out here, bro.
It's cold. It's doors that shouldn't be open. I don't know what's going on, but we're leaving. Is there a light?
Damn, I feel like it's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, this is smooth. Okay. You can low-key sleep here. It's been closed enough.
So these for outside.
No lights for the
These for
bottom.
outside.
There's no lights up here for real.
I don't know what this is. Oh, these ceiling fan.
Ain't no light. Can y'all see? Yeah. And then it's like another outside area.
Oh, bit.
Bruh, no. Okay.
Oh shit. Sure did.
This nigga. He's slow. A little bit. Okay. Yo, y'all, hold on. I don't know if y'all can see, but it actually looks scary back there again.
We might as well go ahead and go back in the crib.
Yeah. I'm not gonna spend too much time out here. Word. Hey, I like this little area though. This is like
Little scary. We ain't going downstairs.
yeah, I'm not going downstairs.
So like you hear your footsteps.
And there's a reason that door locked, bro. That's a little spooky.
What that is right there? No, on the counter. Not them little duckies.
Extra strength. Oh, somebody got a headache. Somebody let their comb out, girls, bro. Hey, well, this house gonna be a mess by the time we wake up in the morning. Alright, hold on. So what's exactly is the plan for the night? I couldn't tell you. Hold on, I'm just pick it up because obviously I don't know what I'm doing. We don't know the plan for the night. All we know is we here at home alone. I ain't ate all day except like two pieces. Low key.
Everybody.
I'm about to eat these Chick-fil-A. My bit bad, overly tea. Alright, y'all.
That's
So-
the shit on the house floor.
I'm finna say that.
When we get back, when we get that other shit in here.
Bro, I keep hearing sounds of spooking the hell out of me. But whenever we get into some, put Kim back out. Yeah. Let's do it.
What's up, YouTube? Till we at a party. I ain't without that talking. Type shit. Okay, you know what? I'm a party guest, so everybody go home. Bye.
Okay, yeah, right. We out there drink early? Question mark.
Remember what I said?
So there's nowhere in the house where
I
don't even know what he said. What's going on, y'all, boy? We back in it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, my young nigga Dre. Taking the back. Drunk. I don't know what he is.
in between. Lay all
Can my shit focus? So, I'ma meet the group. We got Dre lay mad. We got Tay lay mad. He's steady eating somebody. We got Dia. We got Chloe.
It's a good one too. Y'all, it's a good
We got Taylor.
Wait, I wasn't ready for real. Y'all, don't get me drunk. I'm gonna be seeing
And we got
side up on that floor. Get up on that bed. I'm hitting it from the front. Beat your back. Are you going live over here? Girl. Is the live over?
that's it for him.
Me in the mirror, boost my self-esteem.
Chloe ain't no words.
Popping chicken grease.
I love my best friend, y'all.
Big ass hoes. I like all my
in here, she said
I'm
she
for
felt
that
like she
back.
was still.
All you do is bite. I know you thought you ate. I'm snatching niggas all summer. Ain't nobody safe. Ain't it cold? Big ass hoes. I like them.
It's my birthday weekend. And I turned 20. And I'm turning 21 and I can drink, yeah. But I already drink, so that don't make no sense.
Okay.
But I need some nigga and I need some more sense.
What?
And I need some diamonds. And I need some honeys. And I go to the club and do it Oh, she said she can't fuck no nigga. Y'all, you don't fuck no nigga that's broke. Listen, one more time. Bitch, I can't fuck no nigga that's broke. You can have him. Your nigga is safe.
If he broke, he said. Okay. Wait. What's over there? This is day 2. I realized I didn't pick up the camera the whole day. What did I do today?
Stormy eat cornstarch too. I didn't even bring my cornstarch.
That's literally some yaya shit.
I look in the bag and I see a
She
box
came
of
wrong.
cornstarch. I said, who got cornstarch? And clothes like
I'm on some date night shit tonight.
I got some straight shit on. What I did today? I have.
depressed?
Yeah.
Should I put my dress down?
I have.
It's not too much that can help you.
What the fuck have I done? My real reason for bringing the camera out was just to come bother Taylor real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna join you on that.
Get out my face. Get that camera out my face. Please.
Are you shy?
I've been chill with you all day. Have I not?
She has been chill all day,
Okay, then, what are
so
you
I think
doing?
it's time to change that.
That's some queen.
What's going on, y'all? It's not 4K back. And we just had the wildest weekend ever.
Yeah, he wanna hang with a bad bitch, he wanna hang with a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a bad bitch, he wanna hang with a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a bad bitch, he wanna hang with a bad bitch. Baby, let's chill and get fried. He fuck with me, I'm a vibe. Just got my heart done looking fine. 32 inches is blind. He asking, can he get some time? I'm a young.
As you can see, that nigga's barely alive. Damn, where was the last time I had the camera out? I'm
Nigga,
trying to
we
get
did
y'all
the
a
house
recap.
tour and we said we're gonna wait for them to get here. You never picked the
No, I
camera
picked
back
it up yesterday for like a minute. So like the last clip y'all seen was right before everybody got overly crunk and effed up. Like,
I didn't even get to read my Bible last night.
like everybody was stoned.
I gotta double read my junk now.
Double read tonight.
I gotta read midday and then read at night.
Let's go ask everybody else how their night went, cause alright, chat. I'm now pulling up on victim number 1. Dre, in fact, has beef with me today. Cause hey,
Fuck Enoch. He's a cob walker. He's selfish.
guys.
Enoch.
Hey Taylor, who was the drunkest last night?
Go on. Keep not even drunk on the floor. Hey Enoch, who was the drunkest last night?
I don't need see the circle no more.
You see the Hey Ryan.
Hey Ryan, who was the drunkest last night? Hey Dre, who was the drunkest last night?
Really neck and neck, bro.
Hey Chloe, who was the drunkest last night?
Javante.
Yeah, maybe second best. But everybody should feel. But it can't really feel like
Put the camera on this guy.
no, don't be the
Hey Dia, who was the drunkest last night?
Definitely not me. I was very much okay. Definitely Taylor.
This game.
Seems like you're under attack. Yeah. Turn to your neighbor and say, hey.
Not gonna lie, it was a close and tight race. But take this, come out with we're being the drunkest last night.
Why are you on the floor?
I can't help it. What the fuck is going on?
Shut your bitch ass up.